Hello students, chapter triangles of exercise 7.3 class 9 and this question I have taken from the ncert. The question number 2, that is AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. Show that AB bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. AD bisects BC as well as AD bisects angle A. So for the question number 1, you can go through my previous video. As I already told you, when we are dealing with the geometry and for the proving question, first of all we have to draw the figure according to the question. So AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. So suppose this is an isosceles triangle, that is triangle A, B and C, and AD is altitude. What is altitude? The line segment that makes the angle of 90 degree. So AD is the altitude on BC. So we can say that BDA is the angle of 90 degree. Same CDA is of 90 degree. Yes. So now according to the question we have draw the figure. Now come to the question that I already told you few things that we have to write. First of all, what we are going to write? Given. Yes, so what is given? AB is equal to AC. This is because this is an isosceles triangle and it is also given. Yes, and AD is an altitude, so we can also either we will write AD is an altitude on BC, or we can write simplicity for to make it simple for us. What we are going to write? Angle BDA is equal to angle CDA, that is equal to of 90 degree. These two angles are equal to each other. Now come to the to prove. So to prove is very clear, always given in the question. AD bisects BC. What it mean? It mean directly what we have to write, we need to prove BD is equal to CD. Yes, or DC. Okay. AD bisects angle A. So here now I am going to write directly, that is AD bisects angle A. It means we need to prove that angle BAD, this angle is equal to this angle. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. That two things that we need to prove. Now come to the proof. Yes. Now because AB, so what we are going to do? We need to prove this angle is equal to this angle and this side BD is equal to CD. So what we are going to do, as we need to prove these two things, we will prove that triangle, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. If we prove these two triangles are congruent to each other, that means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So by corresponding angles, congruent parts are corresponding angles of congruent triangles are always equal. So by simplicity we can prove that this angle is, that is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD and BD is equal to CD. So taking triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB is already given, that is equal to AC, given. Yes, reason is very important, that in all my videos I always say please write the reason, that is very important, or otherwise you will lose your marks. Okay, now come to this. AD is equal to AD. Yes, we can see here AD is common in both the triangles, so we can write common. And this angle BDA is equal to angle CDA. Yes, angle BDA is equal to angle CDA, that is of 90 degree. It is also given. Yes, we can see here. Now by which congruency rule? That is also very important. So if we see here, right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS. So by RHS, triangle ABD, this triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Yes, and by CPCT, we can say that BD is equal to CD, yes, and angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, yes, this angle BAD is equal to, now these two triangles are congruent to each other, hence BD is equal to CD and this angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, this angle. Yes, that we need to prove that AD bisects angle A. Bisects, we know that bisects means it divides into two equal parts. So hence we have proved both the things that we need to prove. Hence I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you, students.